Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to schedule Zoom meeting. Now from your applications, we can see onto the Homes tab the word schedule. Click onto the schedule. And now from this page, we can enter specific date, specific time from and out. And then we can also choose a specific country, like a time zone. And then after that, you can invite a specific person and then enter a meeting ID. You can also select on general automatically or person meeting ID. You can add an agenda, attachments, meeting security passcode, turning on the waiting room, and enabling the meeting chat. You can also turn on the video on host and on the participants when they join onto the meeting and turn on the computer audio. You can also add a calendar and select here on an advance wherein you can see that allow participants to join anytime and many more. And then after that, all you're going to do is to click on save. And now after clicking on save, we can see here that we already have a specific meeting on our account. And we can see here that it already started. Click on start and automatically join on to the Zoom meeting. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.